Jonathan Weir.
Since 2004, the United States has deployed the Aegis ballistic missile defense system aboard ships to support the Homeland Defense mission and provide a cutting-edge capability to counter regional ballistic missile threats around the world. Visionaries in the Department of Defense and in Congress saw the growth in the global requirement for the highly reliable Aegis BMD capability and the potential benefit of putting that same capability on land. The challenge? How can this capability be moved from sea to shore? The Aegis Ashore missile defense system is an innovative adaptation of the Navy's proven and flexible Aegis BMD capability. The Aegis Ashore office within the Missile Defense Agency is the lead system integrator for the effort, coordinating across multiple defense contractors, existing Navy Aegis contracting efforts, and multiple warfare centers. The first Aegis Ashore complex available for operations is being constructed in Romania to support Phase 2 of the European Phased Adaptive Approach. Once operational, the complex will be operated by 3 11-person watch teams around the clock. The Aegis Ashore weapon system uses the same shipboard components on board the Navy's new construction destroyers, including the Spy-1 radar, multi-mission signal processor, Mark 41 vertical launch system, command and control, as well as C4I systems. The system will employ the Standard Missile 3 Block 1A, Block 1B, and beginning in 2018, the Standard Missile 3 Block 2A. What's different about Aegis Ashore is how the system is packaged and integrated into land-based buildings. The Aegis Ashore deckhouse truly is a unique design that is a hybrid between ship construction and building architecture. Although the deckhouse name was inherited by the Ashore system, those with shipboard experience would not be familiar with its internal structure. The deckhouse was designed and fabricated as a kitted building to be transported in standard shipping containers and assembled at a remote location. The Romania deckhouse was first constructed in New Jersey, then disassembled and shipped to Romania, where it was reconstructed. This unique construction process involved shipping 156 40-foot containers bearing more than 900 tons of steel across the Atlantic to Romania. The Aegis Ashore deckhouse can be operated under stressing environmental and seismic conditions on over 80% of the land surface of the Earth. Aegis radiates all of the time at sea to continuously maintain awareness of international airspace around the ship. The Aegis Ashore system does not radiate continuously, but rather it waits for a cue or a track from a forward-based radar. Like the spy array radars on a ship, which sit 50 feet above the waterline, the spy arrays on the Aegis Ashore deckhouse sit 50 feet above the ground. This ensures identical performance to shipboard units. As Aegis Ashore is the Navy's destroyer Aegis weapon system, it can accommodate 12 vertical launchers, just like the ship, which has 96 cells located on the aft or forward section of the ship. Aegis Ashore is a critical element of the national priority to deploy defenses to NATO Europe as part of Phases 2 and 3 of the European Phased Adaptive Approach. The Romania Aegis Ashore site is on schedule to be delivered by the end of 2015 to defend NATO European allies against ballistic missiles launched out of the Middle East. In 2018, a second European Aegis Ashore site will be delivered to Poland to provide protection against longer-range threats from the Middle East. Aegis Ashore represents a truly innovative concept and has become a critical weapon system in the evolving ballistic missile defense system.